In this lesson, we shall be taking a closer look at the ribbon area. In the previous lesson, we got an overview of the ribbon area. In this lesson, we'll take a deeper look at it. The ribbon area can be considered the heartbeat of Excel. It's through this area that you will be performing your important tasks. So, it's important to understand how the ribbon area works. Note that the file menu is different from the ribbon area. Here, backend processes are executed, and it doesn't affect the work area. There are many menu items here, but you don't have to worry about learning all of them. You'll only use some important ones at the beginning. If you need to know what a certain item on the ribbon is, just hover your mouse over it. Click anywhere on the worksheet and hover your mouse over any ribbon item. You'll be informed what the item is. Some ribbon items come with drop-down menus. Click the arrow down to see the options available. Let's take a look at the view ribbon items. For example, we can toggle grid lines, formula bar show, and headings. Finally, we can hide the ribbon items and show only the ribbon tabs. Click on the drop-down arrow on the bottom right of the ribbon. Then choose between the options. When you're starting out, you would want to display the ribbon. If you don't see the ribbon, just click on any of the ribbon tab, then choose Always Show Ribbon. Spend a little time playing around with the ribbon area to familiarize yourself with the items there. That's all for this lesson, and see you in the next one.
Simply click the link below to learn more.